Good morning. We are at midweek of February, and we didn't think that we would be able to get a pig in our freezer this year, but got a call from our butcher and they ended up having an extra one. I'm just going to show you how much room we've got right now. If you saw my other video of organizing, putting our whole cow in our freezer, it's a little tight. We've got some salmon and deer, a turkey. I mean, we've got lots of beef still, since it's only been a few months. But we did make a pretty good dent in our freezer, plus our in-laws gave us some more beef because they had an overflow. So I'm really hoping that this pig will fit in here. And maybe a little bit in the stand-up freezer. Never done this before. We've always gotten a cow, but we haven't ever got a pig, so I really don't know what to expect. I think it's supposed to be a 300-pound pig. I'm really not certain, so I'll find out when I get there. So it's definitely a lot less meat than a cow, which we figured. And it looks like the pig we got was about 280 pounds. And that came to $820.60. So when I get home, I will add up all the poundage and the packages and cuts and all that and figure out what our price per pound is. But basically I brought 2 of these Home Depot totes. This one is just sausage and the bacon, and in the trunk that one's overflowing as like the pork chops and ham and roasts and whatnot. Don't know yet if it's worth the $800, but I'll figure it out and we'll decide if we want to do this again through the meat packer versus through our farmer who will have pigs later. It'll be kind of an interesting comparison to see who's more expensive. Yeah, we can get this pig home and start adding up everything. Well, it all fit just fine. I got the sausage and the bacon in the chest cooler and had to move the turkey over to make room for all the bigger packages, and just kind of had to cram it all in there. Pretty full. So yeah, I mean, it all fit with some room left over. And I'm going to tally up all my chicken scratches. A lot quicker than the beef since there's a lot less meat. And figured I would take in some bacon and sausage. We got the Italian sausage. Haven't eaten breakfast yet, so. And we just got bacon that wasn't smoked or anything, just clean. Hopefully it still tastes like bacon. So yeah, it's all in there, and I will get all that figured up and post a list so you could see basically what it cost me per pound and how much meat I ended up with. Real quick, I wanted to mention my son, my youngest son, and his wife are starting a new venture with some woodworking, and they bought this CNC machine that they put into our garage, and they're going to be making all kinds of stuff with it. They've started a YouTube channel that I will post up above, but my son did some trial cuts on some Idahos, since we are from Idaho, and it's going to be pretty cool. So I would love for you to check out their YouTube channel and see what you think. They have a video up right now of basically building the CNC machine, putting it together, and brand new thing for them. Really proud of them. Just wanted to say real quick, I tallied all this up and actually kind of surprised at the cost in a good way. Ended up with 146.13 pounds, 62 packages, and with what we paid, it came to about $5.61 per pound. To me, that seems pretty cheap, considering what you would buy in the grocery store. And this comes from a farmer, not a manufacturer. If anybody else usually gets a pig, this is a whole pig. It was about 280-pound pig. If you could maybe tell me in the comments what your experience is and if you've figured out your price per pound. Just really curious, since we've never done this before. But to me, that seems pretty decent. So, you know, $5.61 a pound, no matter the cut. Now it's just a matter of eating it and seeing if we like how it tastes. I'm sure we will. So yeah, check out the list at the end of this video.